This is the pre-assembled kit. We need to open the top cover. Remove the insulating sheet. The BMS is already assembled. BMS sense-wise. Peel off the film. High purity flexible Cooper bus bar are wrapped inside. Display of high purity flexible Cooper bus bars. Wise 30.5. Thickness 2.1. Paper box for placing the 3.2-inch screen. Export sheet and foam carton. Open the foam panel. Remove the PCBA board. Epoxy balls are placed around the battery box, including the bottom. Install the cells with the positive and negative polarity as shown, no wrong placement. Place foam carton between the cells. Place the epoxy ball. PCBA board and top cover need to be installed after award. The 12 voltage 628-inch DIY box is widely applied for the RV and home energy storage.